Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin drops nearly 3% and Ethereum falls below $2,000 as the broader crypto market drowns in red. Regulatory clarity advances in Europe and Dubai, while quantum computing threats spark debate among Bitcoin developers. Bitcoin is trading at approximately $68,824 this morning after declining to around $68,200 yesterday. The sell-off pushed roughly 85 of the top 100 tokens into losses, with XRP down 7%, Ethereum dropping 4%, and Dogecoin plunging over 10%. The decline is counterintuitive given recent positive macroeconomic data. US Consumer Price Index growth slowed to 2.4% year-over-year in January, strengthening expectations for Federal Reserve rate cuts. This initially drove Bitcoin above $70,000 over the weekend, but the rally failed to hold. According to Vikram Subbaraj, CEO of Gyotis Exchange, selective demand and defensive trader positioning are limiting rally sustainability. The market is bracing for Federal Reserve minutes and core personal consumption expenditures index release on February 20th. Meanwhile, Bitcoin developers merged BIP 360 into the Bitcoin Improvement Proposals repository, advancing post-quantum cryptography upgrades. The proposal introduces pay-to-Merkle root, addressing quantum computer vulnerabilities. Caltech President Thomas Rosenbaum predicts fault-tolerant quantum computers could emerge within 5 to 7 years. On-chain data suggests Bitcoin may be approaching a bottoming phase. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have posted an $8.2 billion drawdown from peak holdings. Short-term holder MVRV ratio stands at 0.72, the lowest level since July 2022. Michael Saylor claims Strategy can meet its debt obligations even if Bitcoin fell to $8,000. The company holds approximately $6 billion in net debt against its crypto holdings and plans to equitize convertible notes over the next 3 to 6 years. A significant divergence has emerged between US institutional investors and offshore traders. The CME shows traders maintaining a premium for long Bitcoin positions, while Deribit shows reduced appetite for leveraged exposure. Ethereum is currently trading at approximately $1,975 after falling below $2,000. Large holder Garrett Jin transferred approximately 261,000 ETH worth $545 million to Binance Exchange, signaling potential distribution activity. XRP is outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum, rallying 38% to $1.48 since hitting a low on February 6. Binance data shows a 7% decline in XRP reserves between February 7th and 9th, indicating dip buying and accumulation. In regulatory news, OKX secured a payment institution license in Malta, enabling stablecoin-related payment services across the European Union. Animoca Brands received a virtual asset service provider license from Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, enabling broker-dealer and asset management services. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.